So if you know one thing about me, I love taking videos and posting it on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, Threads, wherever I can post it. So I recently made a purchase on Amazon.com, and this is going to make my video recording so much better and so much easier, and the experience for you is going to be amazing. So let me show you what I bought. Here's my knife. Oop. So this is not a GoPro product or a DJI, which I've owned before. This is something that I've never owned before. I've never had something of this brand. Can you guess what it is? Any guesses? How about now? Okay. I've already given you a full experience here. Still no clue what this could be. Okay. It says please tear, yeah. How am I going to get into this box? Okay. To cut this. Okay. Switch hands, yeah. Cut it on this side. Okay. It would even make this unboxing video easier if I used this product that I bought. How do I open this box? Let me just pause this. Okay, I just had to cut over here with two hands. Okay, let's see what we got. Let me show you what we got. This is very exciting. Any clues yet? How about now? Okay. This is the Insta360 GO 3S 128 gigabyte standard edition in white. Okay, let's see what else we got in the bag, in the box. Okay, we have got the pivot clip, and I also bought a mic wind muff, as well as magnet safety cord. Okay, so this is the cycling POV bundle, so that's why I've got some extra additions. Okay, this was an extra purchase, and this is a standard, and I think this is definitely extra. And we still have to open this parcel, which is also something for the camera. Let's just rip it. Okay, and what do we have here? This is the vertical and horizontal action mount set. So this was an extra that I bought so that I can mount it onto my bike. And actually, I just realized there's something else in this box. I don't know if I bought two of these, but I've got two of these now. Maybe I did buy two. I actually will have to check on the Amazon order just to make sure that I've got everything. Sometimes you forget what you bought, you know. This was only meant to arrive on the 12th of December, and it arrived, I think, yesterday. So just want to double check that I've got everything out the box. Yeah, I have got everything. Yeah, so this is the Insta360 GO 3S 4K camera, 128 gigabytes in white. I'm not going to do a full unboxing. Maybe I will, I'll see. And this is what you get in the box and everything. But I can't wait to check this thing out and see how it performs. I'm going to use it on when I walk around, when I walk my dog, when I cycle, when I'm doing unboxing videos like this. And let's just show you again, this is the magnet pendant safety cord. This is the pivot clip. The mic wind muff, I've got two of them, and the vertical and horizontal action mount sets. So yeah, let's open this camera, see what we have. This is product support at the back. We can just remove that for now. You can see all the information, what you get. I must just double check that this is actually the cycling edition. Sure it is. Yeah. Ooh, and there she is. The moment I've been waiting for. How do you get it out of here? This is it. Insta360 GO 3S. Got all the information. And the camera pops out of here. You just push this button in and you can take it out like this. And it's like a magnet when it just goes, see? And this is the screen. Don't know if I can do this with one hand. I'm not great with one-handed operations, yeah, clearly. So if you want to do like selfie, or you can take it out. Come on. Ooh. And you can have it separate. And this is a magnet, so this can stick on anywhere. Let's see where I can stick it. Oh, cool, check that out. Boom. You can just stick it right there and get a cool shot. Oops. Careful. Oh. Okay, let's put that back here for now. What do we have in here? We got the cable. And we got, is there anything else in here? Don't think so. Oh, there is on this side. Got all the information. And then over here, we've got the, this is the sticky section, and you can stick this on different surfaces. And you just got to screw this thing in over here, and the camera, the dock can just connect like this. Obviously you got to do it properly when you, there we go. What else do we have? Oh, this is the magnetic necklace that you wear under your top. And here is the pivot. This is for the hat actually. This is the hat clip. But what is this? I think this and this is the same thing. Maybe I'm wrong. I need to do some proper research here. Looks different, but it's similar. Anyway, this is it. And again, these are the different mounts. The mic, wind muff, and yeah, that's it. So I'm looking forward to creating some cool content with the Insta360 GO 3S. This was my own purchase. I bought it on Amazon.com on Black Friday. It was about the same price as buying it in South Africa on Black Friday, except I got all the stuff. I got the cycling bundle. I got all these accessories, which you may not get all of them when you buy it for the price that I spent in South Africa. So overall, it was a good purchase.